This is one of the exciting, very common trams in Amsterdam.
De Mauritskade, Safatiestraat, overstappen lijn 10, lijn 14.
And that is the man in the tram who is giving messages to the passengers. Very, very efficient tram. There are a lot of them. They're all blue and white. Somewhere around here we were passing, or going to pass, the zoo in Amsterdam. Maybe it's on the other side of this monument. Maybe you can get an impression of how convenient and easy it is to get on and off the trams. They are almost the steps that you have to cross to get off and on is almost the same as the level of the street. That was St. Jacob's place, I guess, stop that we were. And there's a park. I think that's the zoo. Yeah, you can see a dinosaur right there. Kids playing on dinosaurs. I don't know how many seats there are in this tram. Quite a lot. This is a standard length of the trams, I think. Two relatively long cars put together. There you can see some people just getting on, and they check they are controlled. Their tickets are controlled at both ends of the tram. Either here with the person sitting in the booth that you can see right there, or up in the other end by the conductor himself. Okay, well, we'll say that's enough for this was a shot in the a brief shot of the situation in the trams in Amsterdam.
Halte 8 dus, de Zoom.